Imagine your country can't pay its debts. Its currency is collapsing. Banks are running out of money. Investors are leaving. Inflation is exploding. There's only one call left to make, not to another country, not to a billionaire, but to an institution powerful enough to lend hundreds of billions of dollars, the International Monetary Fund. But here's the question: when the IMF saves a country, what does that country have to give up in return? Created after World War II, the IMF exists to protect global financial stability. Nearly every major economy is a member. Countries contribute resources into a shared financial system. When a nation faces a balance of payments, crises, or struggles to meet financial obligations, the IMF can provide emergency financing. Its goal is simple: prevent one country's crisis from spreading across the global economy. An IMF program isn't simply a loan. It usually comes with an economic reform plan. Governments may strengthen tax collection, restructure public finances, improve central bank independence, fight corruption, and stabilize their currency. Supporters argue these reforms restore confidence, attract investment, and help countries return to sustainable economic growth. But IMF programs remain highly debated. Critics argue that some conditions, such as reducing government spending or removing subsidies, or privatizing state-owned industries, can create significant social and economic challenges, especially in the short term. Supporters respond that difficult reforms may be necessary to restore long-term stability. For some countries, the IMF represents economic recovery. For others, it represents difficult trade-offs during a financial crisis. The IMF doesn't simply lend money. It influences economic policy, financial stability, and the future direction of nations facing crises. Whether it is viewed as a financial lifeline or an institution whose conditions are too demanding depends on history, circumstances, and perspective. One thing is certain: its decisions affect millions of people and shape the global economy. I'm TrillionScope. Subscribe as we uncover the hidden forces shaping our world.